party people all around the town. It's the ODB, kid. Once again, coming through your area. And I'm gonna tell you one time, you gonna love this.
I'm the one-man army, a son. I never been tooken out. I keep MCs looking out. I drop signs like Crosby dropping babies. Enough to make a nigga go crazy. In the G building, taking all types of medicines. Cause you thought you were better than a son. I keep planets in orbit while I be coming with deeper and more shit. Enough to make you break and shake your asses oxygen. Rhyme good as a tasty cake makes. This style I mastered in. Niggas catching headaches, what? You need aspirin? This type of pain you couldn't even kill with Midor. What? Round gets sprayed with Lysol in your face like the can of mace, baby. Is it burning? Well, see now you learning how. I don't even like your profile. It's like wow. Mad styles. I seen and heard. No one knows. You forget. Niggas be quiet as cat. Now you know nothing. Before you know a whole blood clotting lot. You don't wanna get shot. A lot of MCs came to my showdown and watch me put the low down. As you can go below zero, without a doubt, I never been taken out by a nigga who couldn't figure. Yeah, by a nigga who couldn't figure. Yeah, by a nigga who couldn't figure how to pull a gun trigger. Get out of here! Nigga wanna get too close to the utmost, but I got stacks that'll attack any whack host. Introducing your fuck that nigga's name. My hip hop drops on your head like rain. And when it rain, it pours. Cause my rhymes hardcore. That's why I give you more of the raw talent that I got will rock the spot. MCs, I'll be burning hot. Whoa ho ho. Let me like slow up with the flow.